The city doesn't let you go online to set up a court date for traffic violations. The current system leads many to simply pay the ticket rather than waste time and money to fight it. It's such a headache that many decide to simply give up and pay up. But now, for a small fee, you can get someone else to carve time out of their day and brave the lines for you. It's a steady stream at the Scarborough office of the City of Toronto, one of just 4 locations where drivers who get parking and traffic violations can file to fight a ticket. But inside the building, it can get chaotic. We weren't allowed to bring our news camera inside, but this is customer video showing what it's like at a relatively good time. The office is full, at least no one's waiting outside the building.
I've only been here about 20 minutes so far, but I'm expecting at least an hour and a half to 2 hours of wait time.
The lineups have been a growing problem for years. The current system leads many to simply pay the ticket rather than waste time and money to fight it. The city doesn't let you go online to set up a court date for traffic violations. And yes, it's legal for someone to go in line for you. What you're getting, again, is filing the ticket, the necessary first step of the process. Defending the ticket is something you'll have to do for yourself or hire a lawyer or paralegal. So far, there aren't many companies in this niche business. Many people don't find out about the service until they've already booked time off work, paid for parking in municipal buildings, and are already